Hello everyone, KE0MJE, Joe in Iowa. Well, we got her hooked up and all mounted in, sealed up good. I'm going to put the silicone along here just to give it an extra seal because it's going to be fixed. The only reason I would ever need to take it out is to do some sort of repair. But all in all, I tested all the SWRs, everything's standing good. I still got to get the ground wire ran, but those garments end up being for this. You stick a garment on each side, you slide these in, and you lock them into place. But yeah, all in all, great install. It's sealed up nice. And remember to always seal all your cracks. You want everything to be sealed, keep those bugs out, and you keep those cold drafts out. I ended up getting these caps off of some coax ends from Ham Radio Outlet, and I figured, well, I'll utilize them and keep those from corroding in the winter. But yeah, I'd highly recommend it. It's nice, it's clean, looks really professional from the outside. So yeah, I give it 5 stars. I would highly recommend. So this is KE0MJE. We'll say 73s for now.